In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana integration in Slack. This quick guide will show you how to seamlessly connect these two powerful tools to boost your productivity and streamline your workflow. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Slack and navigate to the Apps section in the sidebar. This is your starting point. The Apps section allows you to integrate various applications into Slack, making it a powerhouse for project management. Once you've accessed the Apps area, it's time to search for Asana. In the search bar, simply type Asana, and you should see an option to Add to Slack. Click on it, and you're taking another step closer to integrating your work processes. Now, you'll need to authorize the connection between Slack and Asana. To do this, click the Allow button. This step is crucial as it establishes a secure communication line between the two platforms, ensuring that your data flows smoothly and safely. Be mindful of the permissions as you grant them, and rest assured that this is a one-time setup. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the workspace you want to connect. This is the workspace where Asana tasks and updates will be visible within Slack. Selecting the right workspace ensures that the relevant team members have access to the necessary Asana updates. So, make sure you pick the correct one. Once the installation is complete, you'll use a specific Slack command to activate the integration. In any Slack channel, type Asana link. This command initiates the process of linking your Asana account to Slack. It's a straightforward command, but integral to the integration's functionality. After typing the command, you'll see an option to connect to Asana. Click on this button to proceed. At this point, it's important that you're logged into your Asana account, as you'll need to verify that they are linked. This allows the two platforms to communicate seamlessly, passing information back and forth as needed. Log in to your Asana account using your credentials. This step authenticates your access and finalizes the connection between Slack and Asana. Your accounts are now officially linked, enabling you to manage Asana tasks directly from Slack without switching between apps constantly. Finally, now that your accounts are connected, you can start using commands in Slack to manage your Asana tasks. For instance, you can create new tasks, update existing ones, or receive notifications about task changes, all from within Slack. This capability keeps your team in the loop with minimal disruption, enhancing collaboration and efficiency. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Asana with Slack, empowering your team to work smarter and communicate more effectively. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and tutorials.